A Dutch auction is a type of auction in which the auctioneer begins with a high asking price which is lowered until some participant is willing to accept the auctioneer's price, or a predetermined reserve price is reached. The winning participant pays the last announced price. This is also known as a so-called clock auction or an open outright ascending price auction. This type of auction is convenient when it is important to auction goods quickly, since a sale never requires more than one bid. Theoretically, the bidding strategy and results of this auction are equivalent to those in a sealed first price auction. In a Dutch auction, the item being sold is initially offered at a very high price, well in excess of the amount the seller expects to receive. Bids are not sealed, as they are in some types of auctions. The price is lowered in decrements until a bidder accepts the current price. That bidder wins the auction and pays that price for the item. For example, suppose a business is auctioning off a used company car. The bidding may start at $15,000. The bidders will wait as the price is successively reduced to $14,000, $13,000, $12,000, $11,000 and $10,000. When the price reaches $10,000, bidder decides to accept that price and, because he is the first bidder to do so, wins the auction and has to pay $10,000 for the car. There is some confusion over terminology. Some financial commentators and some third-party auction sites use the term Dutch auction to refer to second price auctions, which are totally different from Dutch auctions. In a second price auction, the winner pays the amount bid either by the lowest winning bidder or by the highest losing bidder. Dutch auctions are a competitive alternative to a traditional auction, in which bids of increasing value are made until a final selling price is reached, because due to ever-decreasing bids buyers must act decisively to name their price or risk losing to a lower offer.